A common problem for those of us who use Canva for different designs is that thumbnails require different images. We have to collect them from different places. But don't worry, from now on, new features have come to Canva. The name is Dreamlab. You can learn how to generate the more beautiful and natural realistic image in this video. So let's begin. First of all, search canva.com. Those who have not yet subscribed the channel, they please subscribe. I give this kind of tutorial all the time. After coming to Canva, you will see a face like this. Look in the corner, see sign in option. You need to sign in first. Sign in with Gmail. It's very easy. Check out the Dreamlab below. Click on Dreamlab. Look here, it is written, describe the image in few words. Here you have to write what your required image will be. The more beautiful you can write your script here, the more beautiful goats and natural image you can generate. I will take the help of ChatGPT to create beautiful script. Open a new tab here and come to ChatGPT. Enter here what kind of picture you need. Enter the main keywords. I am writing in my own way. I wrote write a script for text image. The picture will have mountain, rain, river. Here is a nice script. Copy and paste it. Click on create. It will take some time. See some images create here. You can make it in another format if you want. You can change the ratio and type. Click on cinematic. Click create again. See, it looks more beautiful in the previous comparison and looks realistic. Select another type and see if it looks more beautiful. I will select a scratch black and white. Then again click on create. Select the image to download the image, then click on download icon.